pinkies up. Now remember, only one sugar cube per cup. The napkins must stay folded and no giggling during royal introductions. Could we maybe let the dogs have a dance party before tea? Just a little one. First, we welcome the guests with a bow, then announce the tea, then pour, then sip, then compliment the biscuits, but only after the second sip. Your dog looks very serious. Of course she does. She's guarding the royal biscuits. Ruff, ruff. Duchess, shh. Oh, hey, Ellie. Hey, guys, want to play upsy-downsies? No, Frankie, we're busy. This is a real game, not your weird chaos stuff. Ellie, are you sure? Sorry, Frankie. Goodbye, Frankie. Go make a mess somewhere else. Okay, fine. Okay, so where was I? Second cheers. Pinky up. Very good. Genevieve, can we maybe play something else soon? Why? We're just getting started on the tea ceremony. It's just, there's so many rules. I'm kind of getting tired of sitting still. I'm gonna go get a snack. Do hurry back for the biscuit complimenting. Whoa, what's going on in here? Oh, hey Frankie. I'm playing upsy-downsies. Come and join me. It's really fun. Well, it does look more interesting than complimenting biscuits. Maybe just for a little bit. How do you play? Well, you just come and you sit upside down and then you do everything upside down. You talk upside down, you drink upside down, you watch TV upside down, and I even have my own upside down language. It's pretty fun. Sounds nuts, but I like it. Yeah, I've found that all the best games are kind of crazy. Okay, put your snacks down and come on in. I've never played upsy-downsies before. Mate, you are in for a treat. Yep, that's right, but upside down. Oh no, here you are, Ellie. Oh dear, she sucked you in, did she? In her nonsense. Come on, let's go and finish our biscuit complimenting. Don't have to play here. I was actually kind of having fun. Maybe we could all play together? Absolutely not. I'm not playing this silly baby garbage. Hate to break it to you, Jen, but she was actually having fun. Doesn't look fun to me. It looks incredibly slow. Well, it's not pretending biscuits are a crown. I actually think you're both being rude. Huh. Well, now she doesn't want to play with either of us. Oh boy, we really messed that up. Sorry for being mean, Frankie. I just felt worried that you're more fun than me. Are you serious? You're not boring, Jen. You're just more teacups than mud. And you're more mayhem than manners. We're both very different, and that's just fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry too. Let's go and get Ellie and try to play games together? That's a great idea, sister. Upsy-downsy tea party? Well, this is definitely strange and babyish, but also kind of fun. Upsy-downsy tea party works better than I thought. I like being included. Whoa. Next time I come over, let's play all together from the start. I spilled my tea!